Morning all of you students. In last lecture of the nutrition, respiration and excretion in plant, we already discussed about micronutrient and macronutrient. And afterward we discussed about the rate of photosynthesis depend upon amount of carbon dioxide, intensity and temperature. In all the directly proportional is there. Yes, but in this lecture we discuss some activities are there, special activities are there. Yes, activity first, to test the presence of starch in leaf. How you test the presence of starch in leaf? Yes, actually student, when the glucose form the process of photosynthesis, the glucose stored in the plant in the form of starch. Then how you test the presence of starch in the leaf? First, this is the apparatus. First of all, take one test tube, then one stand, then beaker, Bunsen burner of LPG, here water. In test tube you take one leaf and one alcohol is there. Pluck the leaf and put in the test tube. This is the dish. In first procedure is that first of all boil the alcohol, not directly, because it is catches the fire easily. It catches the fire easily, students. So first of all you boil it indirect way. To boil, what happen? When you boil, their chlorophyll coming outside the liquid. Then take the leaf in the china dish, any dish, petri dish. Now the starch is present in the leaf. When you put iodine solution on it, their color changes into blue black. When you boil it, it become colorless because all chlorophyll go inside there. In the alcohol is there, dissolved in the alcohol. So iodine, when color change the blue black, it means the starch is present. The special test, when put the iodine on the starch, for example you take one potato. Potato have a lot of starch. Very high level of starch is there in the potato. When you put the iodine solution on the, then their color changes into blue and black, students. Yes, this is the first activity, student, which will tell the starch is present. Glucose is stored in the form of starch in the plants, and which we taken by the human being, and starch is converted into, starch is a complex sugar. It converted into glucose or maltose with the help of salivary glands, salivary amylase, special enzyme is there. Yes. Second activity, to prove that light is necessary for photosynthesis. You already know the light special function is there to break the CO2 into C plus O2. Who trap the sunlight? Carbon dioxide only. And carbon dioxide, who trap the sunlight? Chlorophyll only. And chlorophyll give the energy sunlight to the CO2, which breaks into C plus O2. Yes, student. In second activity, you take a broad-leaf potted plant. When you take broad-leaf potted plant, then you put for 2 days in dark to destarch the starch from the leaf. Yes. And afterward you put 5 or 6, and when you on the leaf, when you put the strip paper, with the strip, by using strip you use the black paper is there in between. Then you put the plant in the sunlight for 5 or 6 hours. Black plant is there. Where? Yes, light is important. Here light will come, but on the black, light will not absorb there, it reflected back. Yes. Here the green, where the green is the light, the photosynthesis happen because of the presence of light. But here the black paper is there, so photosynthesis is not possible here, student. So here what happened? When pluck the leaf and then remove the strip and the paper, then put the iodine solution on them. Where the paper is not there, here the black, here actually the photosynthesis is not happen, starch is not there, but here it converted into blue black, but here it become colorless only, because the light is very important for the photosynthesis. This activity shows the light is very important for the photosynthesis. Now come on the third activity, students. To prove that chlorophyll is very necessary for the photosynthesis, you take the variated leaf, partly green. Some leaves are there like which is the partly green, and some part is not a green. yellow in color, whatever. Yes, non-green in color, like this leaf. This part is a non-green, this is the green part is there. First of all, put the plant, potted plant, you pluck the leaf and first of all, potted plant, you have to put on the 2 days, for the 2 days in the dark to remove the starch, discharge the plant. Then you put in sunlight and mark here, where it is not a green, to separate the boundary, you mark with the spore is there. Then you put in the sunlight. When you put in the sunlight, the green part do the photosynthesis because of the presence of chlorophyll. But other part not do the photosynthesis. Therefore, the starch, here the starch form, outer part starch form. When you put in the petri dish, take the leaf in the petri dish, put the iodine solution on them. Then the outer part become blue-black, but inner part nothing happen with their colorless only. It means chlorophyll is a necessary for the photosynthesis. A very important thing is there, chlorophyll. So 3 things is very important for the photosynthesis, students. First is the presence of starch. How you test the presence of starch? By this. Second, light is a very necessary. And third is the chlorophyll is a very necessary. Chlorophyll. But some special plants are there. Coleus is there, which is the leaves are purple in color, but they also do the photosynthesis. Keep in mind, student, in next lecture we discuss about the respiration, how the plant do respiration. Thank you.